Hi guys, welcome to 404 Techies. Today we are going to see what is format function and modulus operator in Python. So I created a new Python file with the name session3_formatting.py. So we shall see about format function first. So I have a variable a1. In that variable I am storing a string. The employee name is open and close curly bracket, and he works for okay, I'm giving complaints. So here I have a variable a1 equal to, and I'm having a string. So I would be sending the data in using format function to these curly brackets. So let's see how we can do it. So a1 dot format. So the employee name is I'm giving Babu, and he works for company Infosys. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I have a string, so I would be sending the input to that string using format function. So I'm printing this to view the output in console. Okay. So what I've done is I have a string and trying to pass the input through using format function. See, the employee name is Babu and he works for Infosys. Okay, this is how we have to do it. Okay, let's see one more example. So what I'm trying to do is I'm passing the input to these three curly brackets at runtime. So the employee name is Babu and he works for Infosys at Chennai. So if you see here, it is coming in order. I mean, the data is coming in. The first data, it goes for zeroth index, and Infosys goes for first index, and then Chennai goes for second index. So I wanted to swap the data. So let's see one more example for that. The employer name is some data and located at so what I'm trying to do is I want the second data given here to the employee, in the first curly brackets of a2 variable, and then third data given here I wanted in the second curly bracket of a2 variable. Okay, let's see how shall we do it. So for that, what I'm gonna do is it's the Babu's for the 0th index and Infosys for the first index and Chennai for the second index. So I would be placing the first index here and then second index here. Okay, and then format I have to give it like we've used a1 earlier. Now we are going to same one, but I would be giving a2. Okay, let's see. You see here the employer name is Infosys, located at Chennai. So the first index data Infosys applied on the first curly bracket, and the second index data Chennai applied on the second curly bracket. Okay, so let's see the third example. So a3, I'm trying to reverse the data. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna string in Chennai Infosys, the candidate is working. So I want the third second index data in the first curly braces, and then first index data in the second curly braces, and then 0th index data in the third curly braces. So this is what we are going to print now. So I'm basically reversing the data what we are giving in the format function. Okay. Let's rename it to A3. Okay. Okay, have to give the index. Okay, I'm giving second, first, and 0. Sorry, 0. So in Chennai enforces the candidate Bob was working. So it is, I reverse the data whatever I'm giving in the format function. We can also give, this is for the strings, and you can also give the integer. For integer, as I am commenting out. Okay. The time here is colon 45. Okay. A equal to 11, B equal to 45. Okay, what I've done is I have one more string, the time here is, and I'm passing the integer value. Previously we saw about passing the string value, now we are passing integer value. So I'm trying to pass, the time here is 11 minutes, so 11 hour 12 minutes. This is how I'm trying to pass the data. Let's see. So the time here is 11 12. Okay, you can pass it in the reverse order also, like B comma A. So time would be 12:11. You can also have it is AM or PM, like it is AM. Okay, so we have to pass it here. So what I'm trying to do is, the time here is 12:11 AM. So this is how we can have to use for the format function. So basically format function is you're trying to pass the input data runtime to the curly brackets, to the one string. So that's all about today's videos, guys. We shall see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.